So let me show you how to set up WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. Now, whether you have WhatsApp pre-installed while you are setting up the watch or you just downloaded it, here's how to set it up. So go to the app screen and find the WhatsApp icon. Here it is. Now you need to have set up WhatsApp on your phone and it should be ready to go. So in fact, you can open up WhatsApp and just leave it ready like that. So basically, WhatsApp on your watch is going to be the same WhatsApp account running on your phone. They're just synced so that you can read your messages on your watch. You can even respond to some of them. So launch the WhatsApp application. And keep in mind that this is the phone that is synced or linked to my watch. Okay. So allow the WhatsApp application to boot up or to start. So once it launches, your phone will automatically detect you're trying to link a device. So you can see a code here. So here, if you're trying to link the device, just tap on confirm, and then it may ask for your password, and then you need to enter this code here. Okay, so for me, it's going to be 5Z. And once you finish entering the code, it's going to log you in. So you can see it says logging in. And once I'm logged in on the watch, it's now loading my chats and my data. Now it says here, chats with business. Some chats with businesses aren't displayed here. You can see them on your primary device for WhatsApp. So that means this device. Okay. Now under linked devices, you can see my Wear OS device is here. So if I tap on dismiss, you can see my messages are here and available for me. Okay, so I can go into any chat. I can read some of the previous chats, including voice messages. I can listen to all of them just like that, and I should be fine. Okay, so I can send voice messages. I can do voice typing. I can open up the keyboard and maybe respond to some of the messages here just like that. And that's basically how to set up WhatsApp on your Galaxy Watch 8 or Watch 8 Classic. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.